What's up everybody, Lucas here, Only Kinds Fitness. Welcome to the 5-minute follow along daily get taller routine. Let's get started. Spread your legs, toes out, 45-degree angle. We're gonna start with light side to side lunges, adding in windmills with the arms, 30 seconds. Go. Nice and easy, just keep it light, all right? You're just moving. Loosening up the core, the pelvis, getting the blood flowing. Not too intensely though. All right, step out, get into a lunge position, lunge forward. Work on this hip flexor, you can lean back slightly, stretching the core out a little bit, 30 seconds. Try to stand up nice and tall. All right, straighten that front leg, bend the entire pelvis forward. Feel the stretch right in this front leg's hamstring right here. All right, straighten up, lunge the other leg forward. Gonna work on stretching out that other hip flexor. You can lean back slightly and stretch the core out a little bit if needed, but most important is just try to keep the spine neutral. All right, let's straighten that front leg out, bend the pelvis forward, feel the stretch right here. Might feel uncomfortable because we're just not used to this. We're sitting all day. All right, 2 more seconds. All right, come up slow. Let's come down. Walk forward with the arms. Now we're gonna come up to our elbows, and if you can, all the way up to your hands. If not, don't worry about it. We're gonna stretch out the core, which often gets really tight from sitting all day. You can even look up to add a little extra stretch. Breathe. All right, now here, child's pose, keep the arms reached out front. "30 seconds. All right, from here, roll up slow, roll up slow, roll up slow. You can stay on the knees. Open the chest up, palms out, facing up. Feel the stretch in the shoulders and the chest, look up. 30 seconds, hold this. Use a little effort, but breathe in through the nose and out through the mouth. Come to the ground, laying on our belly right here. We're going to lift our chin, face, even the top of the chest off of the ground. Then we're going to lift our elbows off the ground and we're gonna slightly depress them into our sides. And we're gonna hold this for 30 seconds. Go, breathe. Breathe. All right, relax. Now for the remainder of the time, if you have a foam roller, I really like this stretch. You can lay over the foam roller, help stretch the upper back out as well, or no equipment needed. We can just do another rep of this hold. And relax. All right, come up slow, come up slow. So that's it right there. It's a simple routine, only 5 minutes, but the most important part is consistency. So just like you're being consistent every day, sitting down, looking at your phone, doing all these things that's getting your posture out of whack and actually making you shorter, being consistent with these healthy exercises, stretches, and mobility routines can help you over time fix those issues, those muscular imbalances, and become taller. Really, it really actually can work like that if your posture is out of whack. Don't forget to subscribe to Only Kinds Fitness. We have more follow along workouts, stretching routines, fitness tips, etc. I hope to see you all in the next video. And if you're interested, you want to get strong with your body weight, check out our training plans on onlykindsfitness.com. Tons of great feedback on those. I hope you all have a great day. Peace. I will see you all in the next workout.